This is the little, what's it called, a sling, is it? A sling 2. I'll be going airbound today with Colin, and hopefully have a nice smooth flight. Fuel caps are on, documents are on board and are complete. Fuel covers equipment is stowed. Still above 13, RPM back to 2000. You have an air vent there which should have some air coming through.
That's good.
Hatches, harnesses secure. Flaps set 1. Firm to coming down. Transponder set to altitude. Left and right mags are both on. Auxiliary pump on. Lights, land, taxi, strobe, taxi off. You all good, mate?
All good.
Heckle traffic, sling 9340, taxiing and backtracking onto runway 36, Heckville. Confirm there are no aircraft coming on to the runway. Okay, all good. Hatches, harnesses, left and right mag, auxiliary pumps are on, fuel is sufficient, master's on. Good to go? Good to go?
Yeah, good to go.
Heckville traffic, sling 9340 is rolling runway 36, departure to the south, Heckfield.
It felt weird when you hit that little speed up in the middle of the runway. They just... Yeah, once you've leveled up, the view is awesome.
Yep. Yeah, it's pretty nice.
And smooth. Too.
And smooth, exactly right. Yep. So you can see the M1 down there.
Yes.
That's that Pimpama sort of new section.
Yep.
Down over there.
Traffic Kilo Romeo, Cirrus is currently 5 miles to the west, inbound on descent, passing 3000. Traffic for Southport Mansfield.
Everybody's got pulls.
Everybody's got pulls.
Okay, so let's go put this. angle, like looking back across the houses towards the...
It's pretty good, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah.
So you can see Carrara Stadium there.
Yes.
So we're just about to come to an orang, and we're now coming to a step, which means I need to be at or below 1,500, which I'm currently at.
Okay.
Because then it's controlled airspace just above me. 100 on descent down to 1,000. Southport. You can see the Q1 off to the distance over there. But what we'll do is, because of these high buildings, is we'll come at 1,000 down around these buildings, and then we'll descend over water down to 500 feet, and we'll track northbound. Liking the look of the Broadwater and that, and all these canals.
Yeah, yeah. The cloud looks like it's clearing up a bit, doesn't it? It is.
Yeah, over here it's beautiful.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
We'll be intersecting the coast, climbing 2-1.
You got a good view of it there?
Yeah.
So there should be a helicopter. There it is up there. Straight ahead of us.
Yep.
He'll be at 1,000 feet. If he's tracking south, he'll be at 1,000 feet. And I am legally required 500.
How good is the children? Wow. Crazy.
Here's that helicopter coming towards us now over water.
Yep.
Give him a wave as we go past. There'll be people in there getting a nice little, nice little tour of the Goldie. This is where your brother lives here, in Main Beach area?
Yeah. So, have you seen, have we gone past Focus?
I don't even know what Focus is.
Oh, it's the round one. There it is there. So, yeah, we've gone past.
Look at this beach, it's packed today.
Yeah.
Down over the water for Q1.
So just keep an eye out now for any helicopter traffic.
Southward traffic helicopter, Jelly Macadea, overhead Rafina, maintaining 1,300, tracking east to coast by W.
Actually, looking at the Broadwater here, it's probably a good thing I didn't go for a snorkel. It looks pretty filthy. A bit murky down there today.
The little cut in over the spit for you.
Yeah, nice. I knew there was another pipe down there.
Southward traffic helicopter, Jelly Macadea, across the coast, W.
Echo traffic swing 9340 is 1 mile to the south of Jumpingin, tracking north coastal 1,500. I'm going to keep in mind 1,500 just so that I can stay under this little bit of a cloud that's around.
Yeah.
Always good just to do a little bit of a look around. Rock the wings.
Helicopter, 6 kilos.
It always looks so cool when you level up and then you...
Let's go.
Oh, yeah.
Just nice, isn't it? Just nice. The good thing about an aeroplane, you just go where you want, mate. The big sand mine, isn't it?
Yeah, wow.
Yeah, look at that colour of that water.
This colour is beautiful up here, isn't it? Yeah, you got some nice photos of that little jetty down there. Sun and set.
That's right. sugarcane farms, yeah,
Yeah.
all around us. Yep. So the airfield,
Yeah, I was going
airfield's
to say,
just
so
there.
it's not far at all then, is it?
No, the airfield's just there
Yeah.
below us. Oh, that stock was dead when I flew over.
Actual traffic, Langley 532, is joining crosswind 28, actual.